Sa boxing mga bro, may iba't ibang paraan para makamit ang panalo. Pwedeng knockout at pwede rin sa pamamagitan ng desisyon. Pero itong laban na ating papanoorin ngayon mga bro ay medyo kakaiba. Ang basehan sa pag-umpisa at pagtapos ng round ay ang pagtunog ng bell. Sa unang laban ng ating kababayan para sa WBO featherweight title ay talagang ibinuhos na niya ang lahat ng kanyang makakaya. Bagsak ng kalaban, hindi na makatayo, ngunit siya ay natalo pa. Paano kaya ito nangyari mga bro? Ang ating kababayan mga bro na binansagang the real deal ng Philippine boxing na si Bernabe Concepcion o mas kilala bilang Kapitan Yabe na may kartadang 29 wins, 2 losses, 1 draw at may 17 knockouts ay napalaban sa isang Amerikanong world champion na si Steve Levano na may record na 36 wins, 1 loss, 1 draw at may 15 knockouts. Napuruhan na ng Pinoy challenger ang kano, ngunit nasuntok nito si Levano matapos tumunog ang bell sa 7th round. Natalo ang ating kababayan mga bro by disqualification dahil hindi na tumayo ang kalaban na Amerikano. Dito nasayang ang pagkakataon ni Concepcion mga bro para makamit ang world title. Ang bakbakan sa pamamagitan ni Concepcion versus Levano ay para sa WBO featherweight title.
Sa mga gustong pumalpak mga tol, nirekomenda po ng inyong lingkod ang legit na betting site ang 1xBet. May 6,000 bonus agad sa una nyong deposito. Nasa Pilipinas ka man o sa ibang bansa, napakadali lang mag-register. I-click nyo na lang ang link na nasa description at nakapin sa comment section. Gamitin nyo lang ang promo code na LPUNCH upang ma-avail nyo ang 6,000 bonus sa una nyong deposito. Dito pwede kang tumaya sa paborito mong sports gaya ng boxing, PBA, NBA, MPBL at marami pang sports. Dito sa 1xBet mga tol, may 6,000 bonus ka na. Napakadali pang mag-withdraw. Pwede mong gamitin ang GCash, Paymaya, Crypto at dapat maging responsable lang po tayo sa pagbet.
Sa unang round mga bro, talagang nagpakitang gilas na kagad ang Pinoy. Nagpatama ng mga power ng mga right straights kasama ng mga malalakas na body shots.
The distance between him and Concepcion.
Styles, because as we've mentioned, those are two of the best trainers in the game.
You know, you mentioned that and you use that against southpaws. Concepcion has used it very effectively already here in round one.
Right into Levano's style of attack.
Sa round 2 naman mga bro, mapapansin natin dito na sinusubukang i-corner ng WBO featherweight champion ang Pinoy challenger. Sa round 3 naman mga bro, medyo nahihirapan ng ating kababayan makahanap ng tiyempo para makapatama ng solidong suntok para sa mas matangkad na American champion. Si Levano mga bro ay may height na 5'9", habang ang Pinoy naman ay may height na 5'5".
It's a good thing for Jay Dady. He's not paid per clinch because he hasn't had to break.
You're giving this fight away, you're letting him box you. Okay? You're letting him box you. Put pressure on this guy. Quit. Go after this guy. Stop coming in here and knock him out. I promise you.
Nations than he is right now.
And you know, I was going to mention that I thought
He wants to keep winning because he's he wants to get anyone to do his own deal, but Concepcion, when he does commit to going into a hard fight,
You're giving this fight away, you're letting him box you too much, okay? You're letting him box you, okay? You put pressure on this guy, he'll quit. Alright? Go after this guy. You have this guy with his coming in, you'll knock him out. I promise you, okay?
even if the title doesn't come along with a win. Meanwhile, as we head into the 6th round of this WBO featherweight this round, that last round was a quintessential round in this fight because Levino threw 59 punches and landed 9. Concepcion threw 15 and landed 3. So that's an indication of what's going on. Look at the difference in jabs. That's
unbelievable. And Concepcion not doing what Freddie Roach is asking him to do.
Inside there, and Levino was able to hold him, and Concepcion not really working very effectively when he got in there.
This is the fight. This is the type of fight Steve wants, fighting him from the outside.
He hasn't unfortunately had too many television appearances for all the fights that he's had.
Ngunit pagdating dito sa round 7 mga bro, ito na ang chance ng Pinoy dahil napuruhan na niya ang kano.
Make something happen, but he can't.
Big left hand by Levino.
Ngunit nagbitaw ng suntok si Concepcion na talagang nagpatulog sa kano at di na nakatayo.
Clearly right out the no lo puede creer porque le encima. Luego lo había parado la acción y
Ayon naman sa coach ni Concepcion mga bro na si Freddie Roach, ang suntok na yon ay hindi intentional. Hindi narinig ng Pinoy challenger ang pagtunog ng bell at yun naman talaga ang nangyari sa laban mga bro. Maingay ang mga fans dahil napuruhan na ng Pinoy ang American champ.
Because I was right there, I heard it very well. There's no way.
How do you know he heard you?
Because I'm running this close to him, just like you are. I'm sorry. He heard it. That was wrong. It was simply wrong. Don't argue. Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me.
A punch was thrown by the challenger, ruled flagrant, therefore a disqualification. Champion unable to continue. The champion is winner and still champion by disqualification. Still champion Stephen Levino.
Burnaby was excited. He heard the guy with the shot. The crowd was yelling. The bell definitely rang. He did hit him late. I don't have any argument with that. The disqualification is justified, yes, because it was after the bell, but it wasn't intentional by no means. He didn't hear it. The referee got in there a little bit late, but he was a little behind it. But, you know, the referee says it was intentional. No way. Well, you know, it was in the heat of the action.
Sa laban na ito mga bro, may konting lamang si Levino sa scorecards, pero delikado na siyang mabagsak sa susunod na round. Sa inyo namang opinion mga bro sa laban, babasahin ko yan isa-isa. Salamat sa inyong suporta mga bro at sa susunod nating mga videos.